Today I have this 15-inch plastic wreath board. I grabbed this from the Dollar Tree. You're going to need 31 pipe cleaners that you're going to cut in half, and you're going to need 3 bags of 3 different colors of the Dollar Tree mesh tubing. You're going to lay a ruler down and you're going to do a 7-inch span. You're going to wrap it down once and then you're going to wrap it up a second time. You're going to pinch this little bow in the center and cut off the excess mesh. You're going to take your half pipe cleaner. You're going to bend your bow in half. This is how I do it. And I just leave a little space by my knuckle to slip in the pipe cleaner and twist it nice and tight. And this is one bow. Let's do that again. So I'm going to measure 7 inches. I'm going to go down, up, down, pinch in the center, cut the excess tubing off, take my half pipe cleaner, bend my bow in half, leave a little gap for the pipe cleaner, slip it in, and tie it tightly. You're going to need 61 of these bows. Again, this is a total of 3 bags, each color. Then you're going to go to your wreath form and you're going to insert the first pipe cleaner into the same hole the last bow came from, and then go into a new hole. You're going to flip it over and you're going to tie your pipe cleaner nice and tight. Now I'm going to do this process all the way around the first row of holes. And as you're adding your bows, you're going to start seeing it filling in. And then I'm going to go to the second row of holes and do the same thing all the way around. So I'm going to go 2 rows all the way around with these bows. I'm down to my last few holes. Again, you're going to take your bow and your pipe cleaners. You're going to stick the first portion of the pipe cleaner down the hole that the other pipe cleaner just came out of, and then down a new hole. So from the back, it looks like a stitching. You're not going to see any gaps in any holes. And this is the first 2 rows. Now you most certainly can keep going till you have a full wreath. I decided to take this Dollar Tree Valentine's bag and create a circle with a pair of scissors. And I'm going to lay it down, and then I'm going to hot glue this down. Now guys, this is my style. I would keep this simple, maybe put a bow on it and leave it just like this. But with wreaths, you can do whatever you want. You can decorate them however you want. You can get the Dollar Tree little cardboard circular signs and put it in the center. They fit perfectly. But I found these 2 gnomes also at the Dollar Tree. They were really cute. And this is just an idea. I'm just going to glue them into my wreath, almost like they're sitting at the base of it. I found this red checked ribbon from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to make a big bow. I'm going to do a loop to the right, a loop to the left, a loop to the right, a loop to the left, all the while pinching in the center. And I'm going to keep doing this loop to the right, loop to the left, until I run out of ribbon. Again, this is the Dollar Tree ribbon. The amount of loops is going to determine how big your bow is. Then I'm going to put a pipe cleaner in that center, holding everything together. And then I'm going to fluff out my bow. And I'm going to take those pipe cleaners and feed it through my wreath, down a set of holes, and tie it from the back. Again, these are just suggestions. You can do whatever you wish. And then I take pinking shears and just trim the edges to give a nice finished look. I think this came out really cute. I took my bag handle and used it as my hanger. I really hope you enjoyed this video. For other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. You can now watch all our videos at chalkitupfancy.com. For any paint products, tissue paper transfer, or any mesh stencils, chalkitupfancy.com. Thank you for watching and have a great day.